Hello everyone, this is Ruby Bakshi Khurdi from Switzerland. For our Ray Academy Swiss, we initiated a kids empowerment movement. Through this, we are going to initiate Whizz Kids series. We are going to feature some kids who have been doing amazingly well in their respective fields. And this is to provide a safe platform for them to express their voice. Provide our kids with wonder wings and a voice to share. And today we have a fabulous guest all the way from Switzerland, Kanhai. Welcome to our show.
Thank you very much.
So tell us something about yourself, who you are, what you do, and what you have been doing off late during the closure of schools.
I'm in the 7th grade in the gymnasium right now, and I have moved a lot in my life. I have lived in 3 countries and been to 7 schools.
Wow.
And I speak 5 languages, and I'm teaching myself Japanese right now at home.
Amazing, amazing. No wonder you are a whiz kid. 5 languages and Japanese as well. So which are the 5 languages that you speak?
I speak English, German, French, and Hindi and Gujarati.
Okay, French, English, German, Hindi, and Gujarati. So at home you speak Gujarati with your parents?
Yes.
All right, all right. And how was your learning experience with French as well as German?
I am pretty good in grasping languages, so I was happy to learn more languages.
Okay. All right, all right. So because you are based in Zurich, so I assume that there you are speaking more in German, right?
Yes.
In the German speaking part. All right. And tell us something, what do you do these days? Because of coronavirus, all the schools are closed. You guys are home all by yourself. Are there some activities that keep you occupied?
Well, as I mentioned, I'm learning Japanese. Now I've got more time to do that. And I love trying new things. So I'm sewing at home and cooking and baking.
Wow, and cooking and baking.
I started my new channel. It's called Miss K. And yes, I'm just trying new things and exploring different fields.
That's very good, very good. So you are sharing your recipes, you're sharing about your different things that you try at home on your YouTube channel, right?
Yes.
We'll be happy to share it afterwards with our viewers so that they can also follow Miss K and be more inspired. Okay. So how did you feel when you came to know that you're going to be featured in our Whizz Kids series? How was your reaction?
Well, I was very excited. And it's something new for me. So I was, very excited.
Very excited. And is this your first interview on a global level?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Congratulations for that. And you're doing pretty well.
Thank you very much.
So you are home. So you must be having these assignments being sent by the school authorities, by your teachers. Are you following a particular pattern like this while you are away from school?
Yes. So our teachers send us our assignments for Microsoft Teams. It's an app.
Okay.
And we have deadlines, and then we just send the assignments in, and that's it.
All right. But are you missing your classmates and teachers because it's not one-to-one?
Yes, it's not as it was before, so I miss them a lot. It's not that I get to see them every day, so yes.
I understand very well. So where are your grandparents based? Are they based here with you, or they live somewhere else in the world?
My grandparents are not here in Switzerland.
And where do they live? They're in India. Okay. So do you have some message for your grandparents who will be watching you soon? What do you want to say them? You can say them through our channel.
Well, I love you. And I'm missing you a lot. That's what I think.
Okay. They'll be very proud to see their Kanhai doing so well here. We are very proud of you as well. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. Any message to the audiences all over the world, kids your age, older than you, or anyone and everyone during this particular phase of coronavirus?
Well, I consider myself lucky that I have the resources to study at home. For example, internet and the gadgets we need. And because not everybody has that. So I consider myself lucky. And I would like to say that, like the many people who fought for the freedom of their nations, they were sometimes isolated as a punishment. And then they wrote diaries and books of their experiences which they had at that time. And I think right now our situation is similar. We are self-isolated at home. So I really encourage you all to write or document the time you're spending right now. But we have many, many resources right now, like
what we are doing right now. That's also going to be documented in the history that we are recording.
Exactly.
Through Ray Academy all over the world from different countries. And this is also going to be shown soon, that what you all are doing at this point of time. Very good. That's a very good way. You are
so you can write diaries or scrapbook, or you can even do video diaries or audios. And I like art a lot, so I've also been doing a art journal for this time, like this.
Oh, that's very nice, great. All right.
So it's also something to spend time with. And you can document everything. It's also interesting to look back on it after a few years.
Very true, true.
Oh, I spent this time here.
Very well said, very well said. That's a very mature observation and recommendation by a young Whizz kid. So our audience should pay attention that do something that is significant and make it memorable. Even in these vulnerable times, we have to think positive, which Kanhai just said. She's doing so many wonderful things. And if each one of us does something wonderful or creative, we are going to be happy. And we'll remember it. We have to be positive. We have to hold it tight and remember it. Any other thoughts on a parting note you would like to say, everyone, to all the people?
Well, I just wanted to say that stay at home. It's very important. Not only to stay healthy yourself, but it will also help the people around you to stay healthy, like families or something. And yes.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for having me.
Same here. I thoroughly enjoyed having this fabulous interview with you and looking forward to see you again. All right. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.